Good evening, I'm Mustika Rahayu, and we're starting with an intriguing discussion on the nature of linguistic competence.
Absolutely. Today we'll delve into the marvels of human language proficiency, going beyond mere linguistic creativity.
Indeed, Mohammad Ariesta. Linguistic intelligence extends not just to our ability to construct new sentences, but also to how we continually comprehend and create new phrases throughout our lives.
And what's fascinating is that every time we speak or listen, we're essentially creating or understanding sentences we've never experienced before. It's truly phenomenal.
Right you are, Mohammad Ariesta. This ability becomes possible because of a set of principles in each language, governing how arbitrary elements like sounds and sign gestures can be combined into words and sentences.
So, we essentially only master a limited set of principles, sounds, and vocabulary. Yet the ability to be creative with language becomes boundless. Another intriguing aspect, Mustika Rahayu, is how this ability can expand further when our language knowledge is shared within our community.
Yes, Mohammad Ariesta, by sharing linguistic knowledge, we become capable of creating and understanding an incredibly vast number of new sentences.
Moreover, we can use language to convey almost any conceivable concept. This makes human language an incredibly powerful and versatile tool.
Absolutely right, Mohammad Ariesta. So, let's continue reflecting on the beauty and depth of this linguistic intelligence.
That's it from us, Mohammad Ariesta and Mustika Rahayu. Back to you in the studio.